know, these be the trickiest time of season. It don't be too cold, it's not too hot, it's right in the middle. So sometimes the heat controls go crazy, and sometimes we just have to trim the heat timer. Starring Brandon F. Campbell. Let's keep it moving. See what's up. You already know the first thing we do is gain access.
Yeah? Yeah. Yeah? Okay. If 4D's not home, then what do I do?
I really hate when the super's not around and wants me to just press people's bells to get inside. I'm not the friendliest looking type of guy, so I don't think anybody's just gonna let me in. Or it's hard to just walk behind people while they just walking into their apartment homes. I'm not with that. But they insist. So
the elevator goes to the basement?
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you.
I need to go there.
I'm the boiler man, by the way.
No, don't worry about it. I need to get the card.
I'm just letting you know, though, just in case.
Yeah.
Just in case.
You have you remove some stuff out of 5E, so I need the rolling card.
I'm trying to give you some heat.
Oh, it's off?
Yeah, that's what they said.
Oh, yes. It was cold in the morning. Right.
Where's it at?
Boiler room. I think it's that way. No, not this one, the next one.
Right here.
Yes.
Thank you.
their complaint is there's no heat. The problem is it's not that cold.
Alright, so we're here, and just like I figured, there's no call for heat. So let me call them.
There's no call for heat because the outdoor temperature is higher than the cutoff temperature. The cutoff temperature is usually 55 during the day. So if it's above 55, it's not happening. Now the trick is if the temperature is off, if it's like 52 outside and it's saying that it's 57 outside, there's something inside the heat timer called trim. You can trim it down to make it to where it's equal to the outdoor temperature. But the thing is, you only got like 5 degrees to play with. So if it's like 10 degrees off, might be time to change that sensor or that wiring.
That should be it. Alright. Should be it.
Yeah, I like these kind of calls. These are the ones where I don't really have to worry about the burner or the boiler itself. It's just the heat controls. I normally know what's going on when they say there's no heat in the building, but we have hot water. That means the boiler's working. Maybe the heat control is off. say easy money.